A Republican state legislator who served 28 years before resigning last week admitted today that he filed false tax returns and tried to influence a grand jury investigating him for corruption. Former Senator Vincent LEIBELL pleaded guilty to tax evasion and obstruction of justice. Both are federal felonies. Fox 5's Tiwa Chang is in Putnam County tonight. He has more on this story. Tiwa.
Well, Harry, we're outside the Putnam County Executive Building. Lawyers are working overtime for the county, trying to figure out how to handle this unprecedented situation. A little windy here, too. It's unprecedented because it's the first time in New York State history that a county executive has been forced to resign even before he took office. Wearing the hat, State Senator Vincent LEIBELL, once called the most powerful politician in Putnam County, ducked cameras as he left the White Plains Federal Courthouse today, a convicted felon. He plea bargained to tax evasion charges. He didn't pay taxes on $43,000 of kickbacks he got from lawyers. The lawyers were paid by a state-funded senior housing agency set up by LEIBELL.
We will continue to bring appropriate cases until every politician understands that elective office is a privilege, not a right, that elected officials are there to serve the public, not themselves, and that those who violate the public trust do so at the risk of ending their careers behind bars.
LEIBELL met with the lawyers on the streets of Carmel to get his cash. During some of those meetings, he was secretly recorded by the FBI demanding the lawyers lie about giving LEIBELL the bribes. That's the basis of his obstruction of justice conviction.
LEIBELL goes so far, or perhaps we should say so low, as to direct the other party to tell investigators he made the question withdrawals in order to provide for his elderly mother.
LEIBELL, who lives here in Patterson, was a Republican state senator for 28 years. He easily won election as Putnam County executive in November. Because of his convictions, he will not serve. He'll be in jail. Putnam County residents and politicians are disappointed.
It's done a lot of good. It's horrible that it went this route, and to me it's a classic case for term limits.
On January 1st, the Putnam County legislature must decide who will be the county executive. They're expected to choose Bob Bondi, who did not run for re-election. They're going to ask him to stay on until a special election could be held either in 90 days or November 2011. Bondi was in the middle of packing to leave his office.
I would be honored if I could play a role in helping the county, and certainly I would have to address that issue with my family.
Former State Senator Vincent LEIBELL faces up to a year in prison. He has to pay a $250,000 fine possibly and pay those back taxes on the bribes. Reporting live in Carmel, Putnam County, Tiwa Chang, Fox 5 News. Harry?
All right, Tiwa, thank you very much.